Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
In this episode, I will show you the best hard-folding tonneau covers to buy. Let's get started. On number 1, we have Bakflip G2 tonneau cover. It is a smart investment when you need durable cargo protection without sacrificing full bed access. Its integrated buckle system allows you to drive with your cover folded, flipped up, or closed without covering the third brake light. The G2's frustration-free functionality features a dual-action tailgate seal to allow seamless tailgate closure with the cover open or closed. It also comes complete with dual drain tubes to divert water out of the truck bed, and full perimeter seals allowing you to drive in the rain without the hassle of tying down tarps around your cargo. The G2 hard folding cover provides greater security over vinyl covers, giving you confidence while you're away from your truck. Its patented automatic latching panel system enables efficient cargo protection when you close the cover and lock the tailgate. On number 2, we have J2 Engineering Hard Quad Tonneau Cover. Black powder-coated aluminum frame and fiberglass reinforced plastic cover built to support unshakable stability and durability. FRP materials can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees to 100 degrees. Tested for durability, it can be folded more than 3,000 times at least, and it is not easily damaged. Frog-style bump-textured surface helps prevent scratches and dents for superior protection. Every screw on the product is 304 stainless steel, which will not rust when exposed to water. The non-deformation, non-shedding, and non-leakage rubber strips replace the traditional EVA for a stronger sealing and longer product life. The folding tonneau cover with a built-in water outlet is not only beautiful, but also the shaft will not accumulate water, and it comes with a slot for hanging items. The tonneau cover supports up to 350 pounds. On number 3, we have Gator FX Hard Cover. It is one of the strongest and best-looking truck bed covers on the market. The hinged folding design ensures fast and easy access to your full truck bed. The cover can be folded up completely against the rear window and locked into place with the integrated prop rod system, giving you 100% bed access for hauling large loads. At each folding point, the aluminum panels will automatically lock into place, giving you the ability to drive with the tonneau cover partially open or flipped up to the window in the fully open position. The cover can also be completely removed in minutes without the use of tools. So these are some of the best tonneau hard covers to buy in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.